Hello students. Today we are discussing chapter 5, that is principle of inheritance and variation. In this topic chapter, first of all we will go through the introductory terms related to this topic that are very important. First of all we will discuss the term genetics, then we will discuss the term inheritance, then variation. These three terms are very important as genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the inheritance as well as the variation of character from parents to offspring. Here we will talk about the inheritance and all the characters that are passing from generation to generation. And what is inheritance? It is the process by which characters are passed on from parent to progeny. That is the term that is inheritance. And variation is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. As we can see, we are so much different from our parents, so that contributes to our variation. So if we discuss furthermore, and our ancestors were having idea that the causes of variation is sexual reproduction, but about the inheritance characters and variation they had little idea about the scientific basis of these phenomena. So one of the major scientists, that is Mendel, the complete name of this scientist is Gregor Mendel, conducted hybridization experiments and gave a major role on principles of inheritance and variation. And nowadays we Mendel is known as the father of genetics, and he conducted experiments on garden peas. He worked for a long time, around for 7 years, and he proposed the law of inheritance in living organism. Basically, he concluded various laws that dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. These major laws were given by Mendel. So nowadays we can call them as Mendel's law of inheritance. Okay. So if we talk about Mendel's law of inheritance, Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years, around the year 1856 to 1863, and he proposed the law of inheritance in living organisms. If we conclude that what investigation Mendel was using, so his theory and his experimental processes were based on statistical analysis and mathematical logic were and is applied in the biology problems. So he selected garden peas as a sample for his experiment. Why he selected garden pea? There are many reasons for him for selection of garden peas. So the garden peas, there is easy availability and they are with distinct characteristics. They can be self pollinated, cross pollinated. Okay. So Mendel selected 14 true breeding pre-plant varieties as pairs and which were similar except for one character with contrasting traits, and he conducted the experiment on this garden pea for 7 years.